Hello, good day. How are you today? You're good, right? Okay, so are we ready for today's lesson? We are ready. That's good. So today, in basic technology, we are going to be learning about wood. Okay? Our topic for today in basic technology is on wood. Okay? So are we ready to get into today's lesson? Good. Meaning of wood technology. Wood technology is the study and application of knowledge related to wood. Is the study and application of knowledge related to wood. That is the meaning of wood technology. Okay? So what do we mean by wood? Wood is a natural material derived from the trunks, branches, and roots of trees and woody plants. Okay? So wood is the hard material that comes from trees. It's what trees are made of on the inside. We use wood for building, making furniture, crafting, and many other things because it's strong and can be easily sharpened with tools. Okay? So wood is a natural resource and is essential for many aspects of our daily life. So we now know the meaning of wood technology and wood. Let's look at the properties of wood. Okay? We're going to be looking at the properties of wood. One, we have texture. Wood has a natural grainy texture that can vary between different types of wood. The texture affects how smooth or rough the surface feels. So one of the properties of wood is texture. Then the color. Wood can range in color from light, like birch, to dark, like mahogany. This makes it a popular choice for aesthetic purposes in crafts and furniture. Okay? Then we have the odor. Different woods have distinctive smell. For example, cedar wood has a pleasant aromatic scent that can deter insects. Workability. Wood is relatively easy to shape, cut, and carve. It can be a fun and creative material for crafting and woodworking projects. Okay, so properties of wood are texture, color, odor, workability, right? And we explain them, right? Good. Then we have durability. The durability of wood varies depending on the type. Hardwoods tend to be more durable and long-lasting compared to softwoods. This is important when choosing wood for specific purposes. Okay? Combustibility. Combustibility. We also have combustibility. Wood can burn, which makes it useful for fuel, and it's also a consideration for fire safety. Okay? We have Insulating properties. Wood is a natural insulator, meaning it can help maintain temperature and reduce energy costs when used in construction. Okay? We have sound absorption. Wood can absorb sound, making it a good choice for musical instruments, acoustic panels, and in architectural elements to reduce noise. So these are also properties of wood. Okay? We mentioned durability, combustibility, insulating properties, and sound absorption. So these are properties of wood. Okay? There are two main categories of wood. That's the types of wood. There are two main categories. We have the hardwood and softwood. Okay? The hardwood comes from deciduous trees, which are trees that typically have broad leaves and lose their leaves in the fall, like oak, maple, and cherry. Hardwood is denser than softwood. This means it's heavier and can be harder, making it suitable for things that need to be strong, like furniture and flooring. Hardwood is generally more durable and resistant to wear and tear. It makes it a good choice for long-lasting products. Okay? Then softwood. Softwood. Softwood is obtained from coniferous trees, which usually have needle-like or scale-like leaves and are evergreen, like pine, spruce, and cedar. Softwood is less dense and lighter than hardwood. This makes it easier to work with and often used in construction for things like framing and outdoor projects. Softwood is versatile and can be used in a wide range of applications, from building houses to making paper. So this is on hardwood and softwood. Okay? So the hardwood is often associated with quality and durability, while the softwood is known for its versatility and easy of use. Okay? Do we understand that? Good. So remember, our topic for today was on wood, right? And we said wood is a hard material that comes from trees. It's what trees are made of on the inside. We said all that, right? And we use wood for building, making furniture, crafting, and many other things because it is strong and can be easily sharpened with tools, right? We mentioned all that, right? And we also talked about the properties of wood. I will say that the properties of wood are texture, color, odor, workability, durability, combustibility, insulating property, and sound absorption. We mentioned these as the properties of woods, right? Good. And then we talked about two types of wood, the hardwood and the softwood, right? Good. So we understood today's lesson on wood, did we? Good. So we are going to be looking at our assignments, okay? Define wood. I'm sure we are going to be able to define wood, right? Because we now understand the meaning of wood. List out the properties of wood. Differentiate between a hardwood and a softwood. I'm sure we are going to be able to do this. Okay, that is very good. So we understood today's lesson on wood, right? Good.